news from Region 9, the Wowetta Women's AGRO-PROCESSORS Group has officially dedicated their farine processing factory in the North Rupununi as part of Agriculture Month celebrations. Sanika Thorne tells us more.
The farine factory project started in 2015 and was funded by the Canadian government with support from the government of Guyana and other partners. It was executed under the title Empowering the Women of Wowetta to Mitigate Threats of Food Security resulting from droughts, flooding, wildfire, and extreme climate change. At the dedication ceremony at the Wowetta village Benab, Minister of Indigenous Peoples Affairs Sidney ALLICOCK said that the community is leading the way in women empowerment in the Rupununi region.
Women power, and you're leading in this for our region. It means, therefore, that the other communities do not have to reinvent the wheel. They just learn from an example that is here today.
Agriculture Minister Noel underscored the importance of value-added products. He assured the women's group that the Guyana Marketing Corporation will purchase their produce.
As you know, securing markets for the surplus is important. I therefore undertake to reassure you that the Guyana Marketing Corporation will continue along the lines of the Farina Fiesta of 2017 to spread awareness of the uses of farine with the aim to generate greater demand. I must note your farine is in the Guyana shop and the Guyana shop corners around the country. And I look forward to seeing more high-value products.
Chairperson of the Wowetta Women's Group, PRISCILLA TORRES, described the factory as a significant achievement.
In 2008, we had a meeting with the village council where we wanted to see how best we could create something for the women of Wowetta, because during that time we had a lot of women that was actually migrating to Brazil in search of jobs. It was really difficult for us at that time to convince the people within this community to actually see that we can do something as women of this community. And indeed, for now, as we sit here, we can see that our dreams has come true.
The project has provided jobs for 21 women who benefited from training in business management, food handlers, customer care, and maintenance. The registered business was certified by the Food and Drug Department of the Ministry of Public Health. Sanika Thorne, InfoHub.